Compassionate Use Program, Cannabis and the Law of Texas. In 2015, the Texas legislature passed the Compassionate Use Act. The act allows the first legal use of low THC cannabis products in the state for patients with intractable epilepsy. The act was expanded by the Texas legislature in the year 2019 and 2021 to include other conditions. Compassionate Use Registry of Texas Doctors. The Compassionate Use Registry of Texas Doctors contains participating doctors or physicians in the Compassionate Use Program. You can search the Compassionate User Registry of Texas to find a participating physician in your area that can prescribe low THC cannabis. Texas Compassionate Use Program Enrollment. The Texas Compassionate Use Program serves Texas residents who are diagnosed with the following conditions. First, all epilepsy and seizure disorders. Second, all forms of cancer. Third, post-traumatic stress disorder. Fourth, multiple sclerosis. Fifth, cerebral palsy. Sixth, spasticity. Seventh, autism. Eighth, peripheral neuropathies. Ninth, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. 10th, Alzheimer's disease. 11th, Parkinson's disease. 12th, Huntington's disease. Texas Compassionate Use Act 2021. As of June 2021, the Texas Compassionate Use Program expanded the list of medical conditions which are the qualifying conditions for the provision of medical cannabis treatment. The list of medical conditions was expanded to include all forms of cancer diagnosis and post-traumatic stress disorder as qualifying conditions. The June 2021 Act, though the passage of the HB 1525 bill, also raised the THC maximum level from 0.5% to 1%. Texas Compassionate Use Act Qualifications. First, a patient must be a permanent resident of the state. Second, a patient must be diagnosed with at least one of the qualifying conditions. Texas Compassionate Use Act Expansion. In 2015, Texas passed the Compassionate Use Act, which allowed the use of low THC cannabis products in the state for patients with intractable epilepsy. In June 2019, House Bill 3703 was passed. The bill expanded the eligible conditions for low THC CBD treatments to over 100 medical conditions, affecting over 2 million Texans. The passage of the bill also removed the approval of a second physician before medical cannabis can be prescribed to patients. House Bill 3703 allowed only one physician to prescribe medical cannabis. The Compassionate Use Act was further expanded in June 2021. The Compassionate Use Act expanded the list of medical conditions to include all forms of cancer and post-traumatic stress disorder as qualifying conditions. The maximum level of THC has also been raised from 0.5% to 1% through the passage of the HB 1525 bill. How to navigate excess medical marijuana laws. You are eligible for medical marijuana if you have any of the qualifying conditions such as epilepsy, autism, multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's disease, all forms of cancer, Alzheimer's disease and other dementias, post-traumatic stress disorder, Huntington's disease, etc. If you want more details, please do watch www.arkmedtx.com.